Let's talk about police officers. A police officer protects us and keeps us safe. Police officers wear a uniform. The uniform is often dark blue. Police officers work at a police station. In Japan, small local police boxes are called koban. A koban sits on a street corner. Officers there help people and answer questions. Police officers patrol the streets and neighborhoods to make sure everything is safe. When something goes wrong, people call the police. The emergency number in Japan is 110. Police officers respond to accidents and crimes. They arrive quickly and help the people involved. Officers also direct traffic after accidents. They keep cars and pedestrians moving safely. In Japan, police officers help people who are lost. Many tourists visit a koban to ask for directions. Officers write reports about what they see and do. Good records are an important part of the job. Becoming a police officer requires training. Officers learn the law and how to handle emergencies. Some officers work with police dogs. The dogs help find lost people or find dangerous things. Police officers work in shifts. The community is protected all day and night. Police officers are an important part of every community. Their work helps people feel safe every day.